Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Astraeus Serenade Rod in Fish in Roblox. Now, this rod is a special item and it requires completing the right steps in the game. For that, first of all, you need to open your Roblox game. Then you need to simply join the Fish game. You need to make sure that you are in the correct server where the events and the quests are active. Now you need to travel the event or the special area which is linked to the Astraeus Serenade Road. You need to look for the NPC or the interaction point related to this road. The next thing that you need to do is you need to simply complete the required tasks such as fishing the specific fish, collecting the event items, or finishing a short quest. Now these tasks unlock access to the road. After completing the requirements, you can interact with the NPC again and claim the Astraeus Serenade Road. Now once claimed it will be added to your inventory and ready to use. So if you don't see this option, you can rejoin the game and check your progress to make sure that all of these steps are completed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.